Welcome to Wheeler Workshop. This particular table is an outdoor table made completely from recycled material. It's made from a pallet which we stripped down, denailed, put through a thicknesser and a jointer to dress the timber. Then we cut all the parts out using a template. Once we've done that, we sanded all the parts with portable sanding machines and fixed machines as well. Once that's done, usually this is assembled with one person and a few clamps, and everything is screwed together. Any holes left over from imperfections in the timber from the pallet or from old nail holes are filled with filler, and once that's done, it's primed and painted. And as you can see, this gives you a pretty good product. It is durable enough to last for possibly a couple of years before it will rot away, and it is not made from treated material, but it will last provided it is painted.